Hello everybody, welcome. Hope you're all enjoying the videos. All different types on there. There's the one with music, there's VR ones if you've got a headset, and normal ones as well. Right, just on a quick ride. I've got to go up to Swanley. So let's get excited, don't I? Going up this one because I've got to get a card. Can't forget a card for my missus for tomorrow. It's our 30th anniversary. We've been together 30 years. 4 kids that have more or less grown up now. Well, they have, I mean, ranging from 29 years old to 18 years old for 2 boys, 2 girls. They're all good kids. But I got to get a car. I've been working all week. Got today off, so I'm going to go to Swanley and get myself a card, anniversary card. Thank you. Good man. It's not a bad day today. It's a bit cooler. The air's cooler. You can feel it on your fingers a little bit. Nice doggy. But hey, in our back garden we have a big massive oak tree. A bit like that one, I think. And it's not in our garden, it's in next door's garden, but you can't see out because it's coming over towards the windows in the back of the house. So I bought like a tree cutter. It's a saw, but it's about it can extend to about 18 foot. So I managed to get a lot of them down to the day. Blinking loads of them. I was chopping high and could saw in up and down, you know, like going like this with saw. And this big one I was doing, it was coming off, but then it got stuck on it a bit. And then it came down like I thought I was running out of the way. But I managed to get them all down, so now there's a lot more sun in the back garden as well, so I'm going to hang the washing out on the things will dry better. Which way are you going, lad? A lot more traffic on the road now. Alright, my bike's on 2,590 miles now, so I'm going to be looking at getting some oil. It's got a 3,000 mile oil change. Not a cartridge filter, it's not, sorry, that screw-on filter at the front. It's not the filter you have to change, it's just the oil on 3,000 miles. So I'll look in my book and see how much oil I need and what grade of oil I need. And get that done. Yeah, my missus will be shocked because I'm not very good on cards and stuff, and I always make one or whatever, and the situation we're in now is making ones easier than go out and get one, but I'm going to go out and get one. God, there's tons of people on the road. I don't know where they're all going. I've noticed that at work actually because we're driving a big and long wheelbase sprinters, go do the deliveries. and it's a lot more traffic on the road now on the routes we take. But everywhere's open, all car dealerships are open again now. Who can afford to buy a car, don't we? I don't know where people get the money from when they're ordering things from work and that, and having them delivered and thinking, God, I'm Bennett. And there's us, we're just surviving on my wage because our lass haven't been able to work. So we're hemorrhaging around about £300 a week. So my wage is just paying all the bills at the moment, so we've got no spare cash, no spare money at all. It's a bit of a bummer, but hey ho, as long as all the bills are paid. Just drop down one keg, I've changed the RPM indicator on the bike. It was on 8,000 when the RPM shift light came on. I dropped it down to 8, so I put it at 9 now. So I'll test that out quickly. Yeah, 9,000 comes on. So yeah. Well, in the last month and a half, obviously I put loads of videos on, tried my best to make the channel grow, etc. And you know, it's only a starter channel, and it's only, we were on 40 subscribers, we're on 81 now. Not a lot, is it? So please subscribe if you can. But we're averaging. I know it's not a lot when you think of terms of other big YouTubers and stuff like that. You know, obviously I'm not going to get that like that. But the analytics that I use shows neutral. Shows around nearly 3,000 views over a 28-day period, and it's corrected from 2,700 to 3,000 over the 28 period as it progresses on a daily basis. And again, that's not a lot when you think of all the big channels and stuff. They get, you know, 40,000 views, 6,000 views in an hour, you know what I mean? But that don't matter, it's all about having fun. So if you're watching this now, and you got this far in the video, then please subscribe if you can, because it just helps. I'll upload all my videos to my Facebook page. Any comments on there, I'll always have a look and see what is on there. And Twitter as well, but you know, Twitter's there just for, and I don't use Twitter a lot myself personally, or Facebook, really, to be honest. But family wise, yeah, we have a messenger group, we have chats on the family, and for WhatsApp, etc. we have our own personal videos and chit chat for the family, for the boys and girls. Hope Sam's doing well. My youngest is 18 years old. He's gone to see his girlfriend in Stoke-on-Trent. He's been there about 5 days now. I'm sure he's having fun. And I think they're both coming back down to our house afterwards. When he comes back in a few days, I think they're both coming back, which would be nice. It's hard for kids now. I mean, he's 18 years old, and what kind of future has he got? You know, what all young'uns today, they either want to screw you up and send you to university and get masters. We've got one lad at work now, he's got a master's, and he says he can't get a job. He's working at Argos. You know what I mean? He spent 5 years doing his university and then his masters. And and he can't get a job in his field, so he's working for delivering stuff for Argus. Right, I'm sure there's a card place up here. I'm going to park it here. Might as well watch the oil. Right, thank you for watching. I'll do a video on the way back as well. But hey ho, be safe, and please like and subscribe, and put some comments. Thank you. Bye bye.